How to see open snaps again on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar. Click on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Now at the top right corner you can find this settings icon. Click on it. Over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll all the way down. Under privacy controls you will find the option of my data. Open this option. From this page you are able to download Snapchat data that includes OpenSnap as well. Just toggle on for this option of include your memories and other saved media. From this page you can easily select what you want to download. All you have to do is check in, or also you can remove it in this way. After you are done with selecting, you can click on the option of next. From this page you can customize the date range and then confirm your email address, and after you fill this you can click on the option of submit. With that you will be good to go. Now after 24 hours you can come to the same page and check whether your data is ready or not, and then you have to download that file that will include OpenSnaps as well. So this is how you can see OpenSnaps again on Snapchat. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.